feel like I never come on camera looking like this. So I wanted to try something new on my channel. So we're going to be doing a get ready with me. We're going to be starting with this hair first, sis, because I can't be looking like this on camera for too much longer. I can't be letting y'all see me slip like this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I manage my curly hair. And of course, I am a leave out kind of girl, so I love U-part wigs. I love half wigs. Those are my jam. I don't like the headband wigs though for some type of reason. I wear them for convenience, but not for like every day. Anyways, this hair is from Eunice. This is their Deepwave hair, and I believe this is the inches 18, 20, and 22. I love to get my curly hair layered because it won't be so like big and bushy. I don't like my hair super drenched and wet, but I also don't like it really big either. So we're going to go ahead and tackle this leave out first. So I actually put this wig on last night. I'm just going to go ahead and finish blending it and getting it to the way that I like it, because we are going to a pool party, sis, and everything needs to be secured, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start with my actual hair and my leave out. Since I'm going to be outside for an extended amount of time, I do want my edges to be laid and slayed, honey, okay? It's been about 3 weeks since I've had a relaxer, so I normally don't use the Got To Be glue until I really need a relaxer, maybe to about like 6-7 weeks. Normally I just use like a gel or just like a edge control pomade, but because I'm gonna be outside, honey, and it's hot and it's the summertime and we're gonna be sweating, I'm gonna be using this Got To Be. And you literally only need just a little bit. Like, this is going to get exactly what I need to get. It's gonna get everything, okay? And then I just have my edges toothbrush right here, so I'm just gonna kind of figure out where I want my edges and how I want my edges to be laid. And just in case you guys wanted to know, I do make my wigs with hot glue. I use the hot glue gun method. So now that I have my edges laid exactly how I want them, and if you guys see some white stuff, it's really just the hot glue that's dried up. No one ever sees that because how good I actually lay my units. So now we're going to go ahead and take some of the Got To Be glued. I love this for placing the hair exactly where I want it, especially when I have leave out. I'm actually going to go over my edges, the places that I did little baby hairs with this as well. The edges are laid and my hair is exactly how I want it. So now I'm just taking my water bottle just to kind of get the hair nice and defined, but nothing too crazy. And I believe I only have in about 2.5 to 3 bundles because, like I said, I don't like when the hair gets too big and crazy. Y'all see how pretty and natural this looks? Super cute, super pretty, and super natural. So this is pretty much what it's gonna look like from now. I really don't apply too much product to my curly hair. After we finish doing the makeup and putting on my clothes, I may actually put a little bit of this in my hair. This is the Aussie Scrunch Mousse, and this is a 24-hour curl lock. And I love this because I've tried other products from Aussie. I love their conditioner. That's what I actually use for all of my units. I use their shampoo and conditioner. And this actually is a flexible hold. So as you guys can see, like, it's a very, very light hold, which I like because I don't like when my hair gets super crunchy and it looks like product is in it and it looks real like fake. So that's what I like, and when I do apply product, that's normally what I put in my curly hair. Now, we're ready for makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I never do my brows on camera. I have a lot of you guys asking me about my brows. How do I do them? I will link a card somewhere up in here so you guys can check that video out. I don't know how old that video is, but my brows are pretty much the same, sis. Like, I don't really change them, okay? Before I conceal my brows, I'm just going to go ahead and apply my moisturizer slash sunscreen. This is the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Lotion. I love this, you guys. It is perfect for, girl, black girls, okay? It's not going to leave your skin feeling super oily or anything like that, so no worries if you have oily skin. And by the way, sis, you should be applying sunscreen every day, okay? Every single day. And here is one that I recommend and the only one that I use. Taking my Airspun powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and set that concealer. Girl, my camera just completely died on me. I had to wait like a whole 3 hours for this battery to charge up. But we back. We back. Thankfully, I'm not in a rush. So we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. My skin is already moisturized. I'm going to be taking this Becca primer. This is the Becca Ever Matte Primer. Y'all, I am so sad and I feel some type of way that Becca is going out of business. This is my favorite matte primer, and this is like the only primer that has held me down throughout the years, especially during those summer months and when those oils start to peek through. So moving on to foundation, I am going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible 525. You guys know from my previous foundation, well, previous makeup video, that I have been using a darker shade because of the summer months and because your girl just keep getting tan. Like, y'all, I'm not even as dark as I can get. Like, during the summer months, I get really, really, really dark, you guys. I actually want this foundation shade to permanently be my foundation shade for like winter and summer because I just love the tan look that it gives me. But I'm not sure because this one is already kind of like dark. I know you guys probably really can't tell on camera, but it's a little darker compared to my neck. So I don't want to be pushing it too much. So moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape. I love this concealer, you guys. It gives what needs to be given, and it keeps my skin, like my under eyes, super matte, and it does not allow the oils to peek through very much. And I normally like for this concealer to sit a little bit because I feel like I get the most coverage when I allow it to sit on my skin for a little. But you also have to be careful because this does dry super matte. So if you're not getting the coverage you need from your concealer, just allow it to sit for a little minute and then blend it out. And then to set, I'm just going to use my Laura Mercier powder. So now I'm just going to go ahead and powder my whole face using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. You guys, I have been using the Black Radiance Soft Focus powder so much, but this Maybelline Fit Me powder, girl, it's good too. Like, I'm a little torn. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my L'Oreal Infallible to go ahead and contour my nose. You guys know this is my favorite for my nose. So I just realized something. Am I supposed to talk before they get ready with me, or am I supposed to just do my makeup? Y'all let me know. Comment down below. Or what would you guys like to see? Do you guys like when I talk? Or do y'all want me to be quiet and talk only for the makeup tutorials? Bronzer, I'm just using my Morphe Glamour Bronze and Leader. So some of these products that I'm using are used in my last makeup tutorial. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply some of the Big Shot mascara to my natural lashes. And then for blush, I'm just using this e.l.f. blush right here. This is in Brick Red. And I'm only applying just a little bit. I did have out some highlighter, but I think I'm going to pass on the highlighter, especially for my cheek area. I'm just going to apply a little to my nose, and I'm just using my Essence highlighter. And the mowers are here to cut my grass, honey. My lawn man is here. Do y'all hear him outside? I've been waiting on him all day. Let's go ahead and pop on the lashes first. And I'm just wearing these lashes from AliExpress. I'll leave a link from them down below. Somebody comment on one of my vlogs. I think it may have been the New Orleans vlog, and said that they like these lashes on me. So girl, I'm doing this for you. Okay, if you're watching. Now that my lash is on, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face with my All Nighter setting spray. So this is what my swimsuit looks like. I got this 2-piece from Amazon, as well as this like little cover up from Amazon too. And then I just have on my little jelly slides that I showed you guys that I got from Rainbow, maybe like a vlog or something ago. So yeah, this is what I'm giving, honey. This is what I'm looking like. Ooh, ooh. All right, y'all, let's go.